Can I have an apple?
Sure.
I brought a bag of apples for you guys.
To eat or for the deer?
G Outdoors Production.
Holy son of a gun, that's a big one.
What's up, guys? Welcome back to another episode of G Outdoors.
The muzzleloader season's finally here.
It is official.
Yeah, we have my father over here that's gonna hunt with us today, and hopefully we could change our luck.
Oh yeah, it's your second time out this year? Yeah, second time out. Oh, we'll see. Let's get some late season magic here. Yeah.
Yeah, and we're really pumped. They're announcing some crazy weather in the day, some crazy winds, but
A lot of wind, yeah, strong winds.
we're gonna
Very
do
strong winds.
what we have to do. We'll stay out there, and hopefully we'll get you some footage.
That's it. It's gonna be a muzzleloader meat mission. So
3 muzzleloaders out there, so let's hope the deer come our way.
Let's not forget our harness.
Yeah, they're not some crazy winds,
Yeah.
so
Yeah.
we'll be flying with the trees.
stay tuned,
guys.
You'll
Take
find
care.
out soon enough.
That's it. Hopefully.
Hey guys, so my dad gave us a call saying that he shot one, and we're here to track him. We're pumped, and so we'll see what it is. Right in front of us. Man, I didn't even see no blood, no nothing. Oh, that looks like a lung shot.
Oh, look at that. Look at that.
There you
Oh,
go.
We have him on cam.
Oh, look at that. A 3-pointer.
Oh, he's stiff. Oh my God, he's really stiff.
Look at his tongue.
Yes.
Oh, what a foot.
It's a nice little guy. That's
Pretty
be
big, though.
Pretty good eating.
Yeah. They're big around here because of the corn that they get to eat in the fields, eh?
It's gonna be
Nice.
great eating. Look at his neck. He was actually running.
Yeah, look.
See his neck, Mark?
Yeah.
Nice. Nice, Mark.
Second timeout, Frank. Good job.
Not bad, eh? Woo-hoo.
Good job.
Good job. Good job.
The outdoors is on the board. At least we got some meat for the freezer.
Yeah, it's getting good eating, huh? Maybe I might,
Oh my God, what up?
I'll
Is
get
that
some...
all lungs?
No, it's just the blood. His tongue with some blood. Not bad, though. Really nice. Oh, here comes the work. Nice, nice, nice,
To
nice.
start gutting.
You didn't go too far, huh?
No, you said well when we looked at the footage, it looked like you shot him not too like you did like really not
I
far.
just want to see something.
Parcels.
Shit, yeah.
Oh my God, he
Shut his way, yeah.
He pooped himself everywhere.
Yeah. No ticks, nothing. Look at that.
Yeah.
Parcels are
Nice.
looking good.
Everything's beautiful.
Oh man, what a nice smell he has.
Oof, sticky.
We're gonna use that to try getting our bugs now. Off the cow bullet.
Nice big hole there, huh? Look at that. Ooh, nice, look at the blood.
So after looking at the antlers, we realized we have him on cam. You'll see he's came a couple times, and it's pretty cool to see a buck that we got throughout the year and stuff. Pretty cool.
That's it for me then.
Let the work begin. Let's we'll put your tag right away.
Yeah.
And,
You're gonna hold my gun?
All right, stay tuned, guys. Good job, Frank. We want to also congratulate Jacob Gallipo and his cousin Terry on a successful 2018 deer hunt. Good job, guys. Well deserved.